Stampy with Pioneer Mountain Homestead, and I wanted to introduce the next video. The person in this video is Josh. He is with Blue Spruce Bee Company, and this is us capturing a swarm of honeybees. Something interesting that happened was the swarm actually went about 35 feet up in the air, making it absolutely impossible for us to capture. But Josh showed me a new technique where he made a loud noise. Basically, he took a wrench and banged on a pot. And somehow this tricks the honeybees into thinking there's a thunderstorm coming, and they will come down lower from the upper branches. And we actually watched that happen at the beginning of the video. And they basically went from, say, 35 feet in the air to, I don't know, less than 20 feet, between maybe 10 to 15 feet actually. So it was wonderful to see them come down, and because of this technique, we were able to get the swarm. Well, basically Josh was able to get the swarm. I was just the camera girl. So that's what this video is. Hope you enjoy.
It definitely worked.
I think it is. It's bringing them down.
Yeah, look at them all coming down around me now.
Yeah. They seem to be going on those two branches there.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can zoom in.
That ought to be a pretty easy collection there.
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, might not need as much stuff to store that drawn crown now. Just put them right into a box.
Yeah. Do we want to use the boxes up here, or do you want a fresh box?
We just use this one. It'll be a lot better. It has a lot of drawn comb in it.
Okay.
Get a real good close-up picture of them?
Sure can.
You know what, I could probably use a tree pruner right now.
I'll go get some. Okay,
Alright, so
where would you like me to cut? Or do you want to cut?
well,
Are you just going to grab the branch? I can cut
yeah,
like...
yeah, cut it up above my hand. Alright. I want to get this in the camera. You got it? Alright. Then we'll get this one, and that's it. Oh, you're okay.
Okay. Where do you want me to cut?
Well,
That's going to be a tough one to cut.
yeah. Just do this while I'm trying this.
This or...
I'm just gonna shake it right down in.
Okay.
Ready?
All right. So you got the clean.
I'll look on the spark board. You have the clean clip just in case.
I have get you one. Hopefully we broke the one.
That wasn't so bad.
No, that's pretty good actually. This one's broken for good. I'm sorry. I have it's not a clip, but it's a case.
Oh, that'll work.
Can you use that?
Yeah. Thank you.
Grab my gloves.
I don't know if my clip's in the car or I can't remember where I put it.
I probably have extra ones, but there's not always one in the stores.
Oh, yours broke, huh?
Yeah, remember?
Yeah.
And I was looking at it, it's past the spin line. It's not fixable.
I think she's in there.
Are they going in?
Well, not yet, but they're all fanning. I'm pretty sure she's somewhere around there. Ought to be. They're all putting on the pheromones. I don't see her on the ground anywhere. If she's on the ground, you can definitely see her.
Yeah, she'd probably be guarded.
It's funny how scared of bees some people are. I mean,
You have no gloves either.
there you have it. T-shirt and gloves. There's probably queen cells in the hive that left. That's why they swarmed.
Yeah.
They'll usually leave the queen cells and the old queen will leave.
The new queen will come around.
Yeah, she'll hatch out, get naked, all that fun stuff.
Oh, this is cool.
That's about.
Well, now we have to catch another one for you.
There
I
she is,
just
right
don't-
there. See her?
Oh, yeah, there she is. Oh, wow. Let's see if I can get a close up on my phone. Oh, she's going down. She went down.
She'll be back up.
She's right in there.
That's a lot of.
Good. She's in there.
Yeah.
So probably if we just move this, they'll find her then. Or they'll go back to their old hive.
Well, I would just leave it here for a little bit.
Yeah,
That
that's what
way-
they call them down.
Yeah. I'll put that top cover on. I'll smoke them a little
Okay,
bit.
one thing that Glenn used to do, and I don't know if you do this or not, but he used to put a clean, what's it called? Excluder on the top and the bottom once he knew the queen was in there,
Yeah.
so that she can't come out and then take it off and then use herself.
Yeah, that
That
is
way
a
she
good
can't
idea.
leave
Yep.
and take the, they can't re-swarm.
Yeah. Might be two queens in here.
Well,
It's,
and they might duke it out too.
Yeah, they might duke it out. They might leave. See, the problem with having two full-grown queens would be them killing each other and then you being queenless.
Yeah.
That's
Well-
if you put the queen excluder on there. That's the problem you have because if you have two queens in here, one of them might just leave.
Yeah.
But if they're stuck in there together, you might end up using both of them.
But the thing is, like this time of year, I'd be more willing to be stuck losing both of them because somebody else is going to make a queen cell in one of the other hives. We can just
Yeah.
re-queen it then.
If they're queenless for longer than 2 weeks,
Mm-hmm.
you don't get it fast. You run a high risk of having laying workers.
Oh, okay.
It's like 2 or 3 weeks.
So if
before
we
you have-
check this in a couple days, find hopefully just one queen.
Yeah. Oh, she's gonna be coming up right around here. So
Yeah,
she went down.
I'll have to get queen excluders on. Do you want to try that or not?
No, you shouldn't do that.
Okay.
Yeah, you shouldn't need to do that at all. I think she'll be okay.
That's just
smoke and they'll be marching.
See, they keep clustering up, so I'm not so sure. Just walking them in. What'd you do today? Took the bees for a walk. They're going in. There's a group down here. I don't know why they don't want to go in.
This needs some persuasion.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way.
Looks like some small ones in there. Maybe some baby bees.
Those are the ones that will end up drawing all the wax inside of there.
Is that their first job?
Yep. Well, the first job is being nurse bees. But
Take care of the other ones.
the wax glands only work really good when they're first born like this. These are all the new bees.
Okay. So as they get older, their wax glands don't work as well, so then they go out and become foragers.
Yep.
Okay, guys. I am not your queen. I am bee, but I'm not your queen. She's definitely in there because they're all just going down.
Yay.
There we go. Awesome. Can I scoot anybody in there? That one, I'm gonna mess him up. He's got his little feet caught, I think. Maybe not. Has he got his little feet caught?
Yeah.
And there's gonna be some sacrifices.
Yep. All right, that's it.
Cool.
I got the introducer over here. I'm gonna take my veil off and get the sweat away.